Why the balloon is not inflating? The balloon is not inflating because air is already occupying the space of the bottle. Let's make a hole in the bottle and try again. Now it's working because air is removing from the bottle when the balloon is inflating. The balloon stays inflated even the mouth is open. If I release my finger from the hole, air starts to enter the bottle and the balloon will start to deflate. Because air is entering through this hole and putting pressure on the balloon.
Break the toothpicks, we stretch and bend the wood fibers. When we add droplets of water to this bent part, the wood absorbs water. After absorbing water, wood fibers start to expand and the open ends of the toothpicks push against each other and create a star.
Where is the coin? Light bounces off an object and reaches our eyes, and we see the object. As light travels through glass and water, it refracted and never reaches our eyes. That's why the coin is disappearing.